Menteri Kecnat Health and Family Welfare Wailat Miki Shilla hakan ruteri uni ubanai dawai pejba ya ke Digital Learning Center ha District Library Jowai hajrong katong open krai cucu ya kilat yo ya start itip katkam ke juk digital nei benta ki kon ro kalut ke district. Hagani kesengi de emlang Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hill District u Abhinav Kumar Singh, ke Assistant Commissioner ke ECH Momin, u Assistant Commissioner F Pasa u wada embenta na sedang wo pelai ya kani kekam, hei wadang ini wada cakan ri ano uci East Giant Hill District, nei teo WH Kasa District Librarian Jowai. Hagani ke center de em kat pratali ki kor komputer hade lang ke internet wasmat, wai gani ke center to wadamang poisa de wijakre lang ke CM Catalytic Fund Promoting Digital Learning wa ke Inclusive Access to Knowledge. Hagani ke center waro ki wapan psi ada khod hapo ke library ye ki open MCAM claim iwan isu wakan thup le ya ki kena skor nei te ya ki tu ki wa em ka thong u ya khun chakmat he im wa ya ki de khod ya khamat ha ki chnong ki thau. Hagani ke juk ke sengi Menteri Dawai haro u ya ke book fair wa ar sengi wa de pelai de ke yung kre kam u Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hill District hapchem ke District Library. Menteri hawa kalam yuluti u bagani ke Digital Learning Center uman ko ikir khu yagi kon ro ke district wei wopun ku ko ye melin pu record wei wo yarap ko helai luti yong ki chakmat nei benta ka menrin ong wani liang ke sarkar de perchang ko kat ye upen biang ye MCAM yong ki pajba kat ni kham tam hagani ke juk yakob wa MCAM utip nei por chei por i wajian em haki sodong yong i khnang yo ye ulai chakmat hai im. Kentu haro open MCAM hok we chim kebu ya kani ke Digital Learning Center kenang wa iwan ra ke sarkar nei bentai mentoi msab ai. Kentu haro ya ki pajba wa em ya kathong wa chajrong kenang yo yi upendap ya ki pos wa MCAM ha kejala nei bha wa iduk khi duk kre omduh ki kerdan wa chatre we wa haprdi tang wa wat ki kerdan warap hakli he wa embru na po kejala han ada khut thap kre le de we inong muna ya ki pos doktor ha kachnat yong ichai ikia. Hejo ipor pentip uwa kathong yong ke sarkar mukut du ke Digital Learning Library du ha District Library don hi tang wadaw perchang le uwai ya ki library kien ha ki dong ki chnong. Kam jo yuluti uwa iwai ya kini ke book fair wa arsengi le uman imentoy ya ki pajba. Ke Assistant Commissioner ke ECH Momin pentip ko wa ha kini ke book fair wa arsengi ha kan ru wa kan nyaw terik yi uyo bunjai ki kot na ki stol wa chongdai da ki bru yong ke thany ke jela wa ki wan nabar. Dem le kastol wa yu yo YouTube he ya to wa admission online wa ke ALS coaching center. Si benta kani ke book fair depan man le ya ki kop draw tho AC ne benta ke khna skur dem le ki stol bam wa keren san rwai.
Korpat nagaliang diong i de perchangi pun bha pemit. Kate de perchangi pun biang ye ki kop isla ko kani ke library he ni. Untuk di dukat ki kop isla ni bai de juk de pair ko de perchangi le pun biang ya digital library. Hey ni em kaprat ligi computers, 18 computers will be added. Kaprat ligi computers with high speed internet connection. Daw em ga interactive panel ko ye bi interact dan nete daw ko ya ki ligi up to date ki data dan ki informations ki wa ye yarap ye phi hai walai school ki lani kawan-kawan ka aim lani ka ambition ka yong phi ka lakwa phi MP ka interest chapang ka science or health or mathematics and so on so forth the M ka kini ka digital library ini tengah kerpa dia phi osnya pha phi pen M ka mereka please pen M ka ne ba borok cakap tu jo yo ile badat habu le kami Neba untuk yoi borok cakap tu gani kan library to underutilized, memang utilized. Memang wan, ngan pun se ngan program ini, menjuk yo buru yang bocong haji yo kulun por yo rekod. Ini em research material yo bi dekwa. Kiwa ye bi nemta project yo bi nemta assignment yo bi. Tengah api lo yo bi to wa sniaw ha use. Neba apa mai pin ni lada pi stay up to date bi dau tha e bi. Đào tra ế chỉ tìm cân mục bách cạn nhỉ, you have MA trong hay you have master degree cạn nhỉ trong hay kere master role you play nếu vậy lẽ tôi tao em plani nó đủ sao nếu vậy lẽ you keep on cái aim and ambition yang you keep on changing on every day the PM can decide whether I want to be a doctor, whether I want to be a lawyer, whether I want to be an engineer, stick to it. dan nete kre chutom nei bentai te la da pi kre chutom ki with one target nga on pi fail de ne tang ko doktor la da mentu kwa man doktor mesti kwa man engineer man gawi kwa man footballer man ka ar kwa man Miss India takat te se te em tam kat wot kwa pi man to kat te wot ku rai ki kre proyek nei bentai te te hijau ipor le da emile dan perchangi le otok kumput ye kini di library dukat hagani do ni ga district library Henry kwa ile otok da wai le ye kini ye ki small library hagi community the em ga jingi yang perkhadi go wai di moh kut ki thau nang wa emi small space lo ki hebon woni por ye bi ulai de ni te access ya ki ki kot pat ka te terแต่ทีนี้ก็จริงประชังเดียวนี้แต่กำลังมันในบันอย่างสิชินขึ้นหมู่และอินี่ว่ารอวันเลยและมันสเต็ปอันกวีแม่มันวันแม่มันชิมกระบูอยากนี่จริงมันต่อยดาวมันอยู่สบาย
Today, on the 6th of March 2026, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, in collaboration with the Kirshan Foundation, we have inaugurated, the Honorable Minister, Shri Wyrta Mikishila, has inaugurated the West Chanty Hills Book Fair 2026 along with the Digital Learning Center here at the District Library Mintong Jowai. So this digital library has been equipped with 18 computers which is connected with high-speed internet connectivity. So this Digital Learning Center will be open free of cost to all the members of the community who are enrolled in the library. So this Digital Learning Center has been established to provide digital access to for the aspirants, for the students, for the members of the community. The Office of the Deputy Commissioner has also collaborated with SPM Institute, which is a coaching center, IAS coaching center. So the members, the Super 30 students who were chosen last year can also get their coaching lessons from the digital library. So this book fair is a 2-day program which will be held on the 6th and the 7th of March 2026. So we have the Office of the Deputy Commissioner have collaborated with the Our Library initiative under the Kirshan Foundation. So we have various book stalls, some are local and some are from Assam. We have book agencies such as the Books and Brews, we have the Northeastern Social Research Center, we have the Rikasi, also we have admissions online, as well as ALS, a coaching center who have set up their stalls here. So as part of this book fair, we are also having art competitions as well as essay writing competitions for the students. So I would urge all the members of the public, the students to kindly come and visit all our stalls and make this even a successful one. Thank you.